This short video will demonstrate how to convert an ASI 2-roll vertical tissue dispenser to a high-capacity fat tissue dispenser using the Tork Type A replacement spindles. There are 4 different Tork replacement spindles to select from. In this case, the Type A replacement spindle is the best and only option that will work. There are 2 Type A replacement spindles in each kit, 2 metal L-shaped brackets, and the instructions. The metal L-shaped brackets need to be installed properly in order for the dispenser to function properly with the new high-capacity spindles. Before installing the brackets, clean the area as demonstrated. For best results, use an alcohol pad. Next, install the L-shaped brackets as demonstrated and as per the instructions. After the brackets are secured in place, the dispenser is now ready for replacement spindles. The Tork Type A replacement spindle is a 2-piece spring-loaded spindle. Remove the hub from the shaft and insert the shaft into the flat side of a roll of Tork high-capacity bath tissue as demonstrated. Next, insert the hub onto the shaft. Next, load the spindle into the dispenser as demonstrated. For best results, the roll should be loaded to dispense from the bottom of the roll. Take another Type A replacement spindle and repeat the steps. The L-shaped brackets are only required for the ASI 2-roll drop-down style dispensers. They are not required for this application. Remove the hub from the shaft and insert the shaft into the flat side of a roll of Tork high-capacity bath tissue as demonstrated. Next, insert the hub onto the shaft. Next, load the spindle into the dispenser. Take the second Type A replacement spindle and repeat the steps. For best results, both rolls should be loaded to dispense over the top, also known as waterfall.